Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses Diagnostic Trouble Code P0732, which indicates a problem related to the second clutch and the hydraulic circuit associated with it in the Honda Odyssey model years 2011 to 2017. The second clutch plays a crucial role in enabling gear transitions within the transmission by engaging and disengaging as necessary during operation. Hydraulic pressure is essential for proper functioning, as it facilitates engagement and control of the clutch system. If an issue arises within these components, it can lead to transmission performance problems and affect driving dynamics. Understanding the root cause of this DTC is imperative for restoring proper functionality and ensuring safe driving conditions for the vehicle. We will follow a systematic approach to troubleshoot the issue thoroughly, including the role and location of the components involved, possible causes, and detailed steps to identify and resolve the problem. The error code P0732 specifically pertains to faults in the second clutch and its corresponding hydraulic circuit within the Honda Odyssey's transmission system. The second clutch is vital for facilitating smooth gear shifts, particularly during acceleration and deceleration. This component is situated inside the transmission, typically found among other clutch components. The hydraulic circuit controls the pressure applied to the clutch, enabling it to engage or disengage when required. Any issues with either the second clutch or this hydraulic circuit can lead to disastrous effects on the performance of the transmission, including erratic shifting, slipping, or even complete transmission failure if not addressed promptly. Understanding the roles and locations of these components will aid in a quicker diagnosis and repair. There are several possible causes for the DTC P0732 in a Honda Odyssey. One potential issue is a faulty second clutch, which could be failing to engage or disengage properly due to wear or damage. A clogged hydraulic circuit is another common culprit, leading to insufficient pressure needed to operate the clutch effectively. Additionally, a malfunctioning automatic transmission fluid, ATF pump, can disrupt the hydraulic pressure necessary for clutch operation. Lastly, issues with the main regulator valve, which controls the flow of ATF throughout the transmission system, can further complicate matters. Identifying the precise cause behind the error code is crucial, as each issue may necessitate different repair strategies. Drivers experiencing DTC P0732 in their Honda Odyssey may notice a variety of symptoms that could indicate a problem with the transmission. One prominent symptom is erratic gear shifting, where the transmission may shift unexpectedly or roughly. Slipping transmission can occur, where the vehicle may feel as if it is losing power or suddenly changing gears without the driver's input. A delayed engagement is also common, where there is a lag in transmission response when the vehicle starts to accelerate. Additionally, drivers may hear unusual noises coming from the transmission area, which can be indicative of internal component issues. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to quicker repairs and avoid further damage to the vehicle's transmission system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0732 involves turning the ignition switch to the on position, which is often denoted as position 2. This action powers the vehicle's electrical system without starting the engine, allowing diagnostic tools to communicate effectively with the onboard computer. Following this, it is essential to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which is designed to communicate with the vehicle's computer. Recording any freeze data is crucial as it provides valuable insight into the conditions under which the error occurred. This data can include vehicle speed, engine temperature, and other relevant parameters. By gathering this information before proceeding, technicians can make informed decisions about the possible causes and effectively target their diagnostic efforts. After clearing the DTC, the next troubleshooting step is to test drive the vehicle in second gear. It is critical to drive at speeds exceeding 7 miles per hour or approximately 12 kilometers per hour, which ensures that the transmission operates under conditions likely to replicate the issue recorded by the DTC. During this drive, maintaining the speed for at least 12 seconds allows the system to fully engage the second clutch and hydraulic circuitry, potentially replicating the error. Upon completing the test drive, the technician must then slow down and come to a full stop. This step is invaluable as it confirms whether the DTC P0732 reappears following the test drive, indicating that the system still recognizes a problem with the second clutch. After the test drive, the next step involves using the HDS again to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. This investigation is crucial because it can help distinguish between an intermittent failure and a persistent issue with the system. If DTC P0732 appears once more, it indicates a continuing problem that requires further investigation. In contrast, if the DTC does not show up, the vehicle may have experienced an intermittent failure, which can sometimes resolve itself. However, if any other pending or confirmed DTCs appear, it is essential to follow their respective troubleshooting guidelines, as they may indicate related or underlying issues contributing to the symptoms observed. The fourth step entails measuring the pressure in the second clutch system using a suitable gauge. This measurement will determine if the clutch is receiving sufficient hydraulic pressure, which is crucial for its operation. The technician must compare the measured pressure against established service limits. If the pressure falls within these limits, it is indicative of a faulty second clutch that needs replacement. The next course of action would involve replacing the second, fifth clutch, or, in extreme cases, the whole transmission, if significant damages are identified. During any replacement processes, it is critical to clean out any metal debris or excessive clutch material that could compromise the integrity of the new components. Ensuring that these measures are followed will promote reliability in the transmission system and prevent future issues. In the fifth troubleshooting step, the technician will measure the line pressure within the transmission system. As with the previous step, this pressure must fall within specified service limits to ensure proper operation of the hydraulic system. If the line pressure is acceptable, it is likely a clogged hydraulic circuit affecting the second clutch. In this case, cleaning the hydraulic circuit would be the necessary action, ensuring that any debris is cleared, which could inhibit hydraulic flow. Should the line pressure not meet the specified limits, this points to a failure within the automatic transmission fluid, ATF pump, or the main regulator valve. Technicians would need to replace the main valve body or the regulator valve body accordingly to restore functionality, along with the torque converter to maintain proper pressure levels moving forward. The final troubleshooting step addresses the possibility of a faulty ATF pump or main regulator valve if previous checks did not yield satisfactory results. If the hydraulic line pressure is found to be deficient, the technician will conclude that either the ATF pump or the main regulator valve is failing to maintain required operational pressures. The recommended course of action involves replacing the main valve body, the regulator valve body, or potentially the entire transmission if extensive damage is identified. As always, comprehensive cleaning of any transmission components, including the hydraulic circuit, is vital to remove any metal debris or clutch material that could interfere with the new components. By meticulously implementing these recommendations, technicians can restore the transmission to its optimum performance level, safeguarding against future issues. After completing all necessary repairs and replacements, the final repair verification step is crucial. Technicians must recheck the system for any outstanding DTCs using the HDS. If DTC P0732 or any other DTCs appear, it may indicate that the issue has not been fully resolved and requires further investigation. Following this, a comprehensive road test should be conducted to ensure that the vehicle operates correctly under normal driving conditions. This test is aimed at confirming that the transmission shifts smoothly and that there are no lingering symptoms. If the vehicle demonstrates proper performance post-repair, the technician can confidently conclude that the issue has been resolved and that the vehicle's transmission system is functioning as intended. Following this verification is an essential part of the repair process to ensure the safety and satisfaction of the driver. Preventive maintenance is key in prolonging the life of the transmission system, particularly concerning issues like DTC P0732. Regular checks of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, are essential to ensure that it is clean and at the appropriate level, as dirty or low fluid can contribute to hydraulic failure. Routine transmission service, including fluid changes and filter replacements, supports the longevity of the system by maintaining proper fluid circulation. Technicians should also routinely inspect the transmission for any signs of metal debris or excessive clutch material that might indicate internal wear and tear. Adopting a proactive maintenance schedule can greatly reduce the chances of a DTC resurfacing, resulting in a smoother and more reliable driving experience for Honda Odyssey owners. In conclusion, DTC P0732 highlights a significant issue within the second clutch and its hydraulic circuit in the Honda Odyssey. Following the diagnostic steps outlined ensures that technicians can accurately identify and rectify the problem, reducing the risks associated with transmission failure. It is imperative to understand the role of each component involved, from the second clutch to the hydraulic circuit, and how they interact within the system. As emphasized throughout the presentation, preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in sustaining the transmission's longevity and performance. By implementing regular checks and servicing routines, Honda Odyssey owners can mitigate potential issues before they escalate. Ultimately, a well-maintained vehicle will provide a safer and more reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.